I'm actually so hidden.
Nice. What do you mean? Are you hiding?
Yeah. I
Other
got people.
people?
I got at least 6 kids on me.
Alright, I'm about to go for a mag.
Bro,
They're both.
I was playing with Connor, Brock, and them, but like, I can't handle it.
Are they bad?
They're really bad and they're really loud.
Really?
Yeah, I can't. Gotta do it, dude. They literally in creative, all 6 of them were teaming on me. You think I'm joking? They just sat
You're
there
probably
on
killing
me.
all
I
six of
tell ya,
them.
I killed
Who's in
4
a-
of them and my
anyone in a
Wi-Fi went
mech?
out.
What?
Is anyone in a mech?
Look, Grace,
I'm
3
trying
of
to
them
get
were shooting me from the sides. I killed 1 of them, and then I edited out on 1 and 200 pumped him.
Of course, he had a drum shotgun.
Joey, the one I was going for got taken.
I legitimately killed 4 of them. And then my Wi-Fi went out.
Yeah, right. I 1v3 Kale, Brock, and Luke. I killed them all, and this was a long time ago.
Well, they've gotten better since then. They're just
Right.
not bad, not good.
Right. No, they haven't.
But
Yeah,
see, I think I can beat you on West.
Joey, they play this game more than we do.
Glitzy, I think I can beat you on West.
Race, I've 3-0'd you.
I
On
think
what?
I can beat you on West. Yeah, that was before.
That was like a couple weeks ago.
Exactly, I've been pretty.
I'm saying is Race has played more Fortnite than any of us, and Race is like the worst one.
On what?
You heard me.
Joey, I've been having the most kills for the most part. The most part. There was a game